Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you and also explaining in details what is altered content. If you are not careful or if it is not well selected, is going to affect your channel in so many ways. It can make YouTube to shadow ban your channel. It can make YouTube not to recommend your videos. It can also make YouTube not to suggest your videos. It can also make YouTube to stop pushing your videos, and that is going to limit you from getting more views in your channels. A lot of people have been seeing this and they don't know what it is, so I'm going to put the screen record here to so that all of us will go ahead and study it together and see the explanation. This video is going to help you to be careful so that you don't make a mistake, because once you select the right button, when it comes to that, is going to that YouTube is going to tag that video and put a sticker on it, which will restrict a lot of people not to watch it. So I'm going to screen record. I'm going to screen record here and put it so that all of us will run it through together. If you are just coming across this channel, this is Create with Alice. Here we talk about YouTube growth, we talked about how to make money on YouTube. We also talked about how you can successfully monetize your channel. And now I have uh, I've opened my YouTube, so I'm going to use one of my videos as I'm going to use one of my video for this experiment. So as I've opened here, when I come down, is I'm going to click on it. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to is or do something that they did not say or do. The next one say alters footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking scene that did not actually occur in the video. After that, you come down and see where it say to follow YouTube policy, you are required to tell us if your content is altered or synthetic and seems real. This includes realistic sound and visual made with AI or other tools. So when you come down there, you will also see it's a view example. They try to explain more of what they mean by that, so that in case you don't understand what they are saying, you will be able to understand more. Here they say examples of altered or synthetic content. Say the following list include examples of altered or synthetic content. Altered or synthetic content can include content that is fully or partially altered or created using any audio, video, image creation or editing tools. Realistic content and meaningful changes requires disclosure, while unrealistic or minor edits don't. Bear in mind that this is not a complete list, so they show the list of what they mean by that. So it does not require disclosure by creators and does require disclosure by creator. That means does not require disclosure by creator is if your content has anything concerning this part that say does not require closure by creators, that means you will not say yes. But if it's here that says this they require does require okay, here that says does require disclosure by creators, that is where you will now click yes or no. so that you don't go click no when it's supposed to be yes, or yes when it's supposed to be no. Now we're going to read it through. It said apply beauty filter. So if I am, as I'm making this video, any filter I use here, I'm not supposed to choose yes. If I say digitally generating or altering content to replace the face of one individual with another, or the next one, or synthetically generating or extending a backdrop to simulate a moving car. Let me read it, everything here and then everything here. Using effects to enhance previously recorded audio, using an AI generated animation of a muzzle in a movie. So these are the one that does not require disclosure by creators. Then the ones that require disclosure by creator is this one I'm going to read now. Digital generating or altering content to replace the face of one individual with another. Then the next one is digitally altering a famous car chase scene to include a celebrity who was not in the original film. The next one, simulating audio to make a sound as if it is a medical professional gave advice when the professional did not actually, give that advice. And the next one says showing a realistic depict of um, towards a real city. So if your content has any of these, that means you are supposed to choose yes, that your content is altered. But if it is not, you have to choose no, it does not altered. Please don't go and make a mistake and click on no when you are supposed to click yes, or click yes when you are supposed to click no. Make sure that you do not, make this mistake that is going to cost you something in your channel. Maybe make your channel to be shadow banned, and tomorrow you will not be getting views. And once you don't get views, you will just feel that that is not working. So if you are choosing any of this tab, if you are clicking any of this, you have to, read it through and be very sure of what it says before you click on any tab. If you have watched up to this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, share, like, comment, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.